Welcome, I'm Tay, founder and master loctician at the Lock Gallery, and today we're going to discuss some frequently asked questions when it comes to starting your lock journey. So, should you do coils, twist, or instant locks? So this is going to vary depending on your hair texture and your length. So for coils, I recommend that to kinkier textures. Twist, I recommend for longer lengths. And instant locks, I recommend for looser curls or straight hair. I want my locks small and full. So I'm going to suggest mini twist or micro locks if you want a fuller, smaller look. So how long will it take my hair to lock? Around 6 to 12 months is average. Your hair goes through many different stages and looks during this time, so patience is going to be the key during this time. Do you lock straight Caucasian hair? Yes, we do. Again, instant locks is going to be the method for straight hair. Do I need to clip my ends or trim my hair before I start my lock journey? No, you do not. It's not really necessary. If your ends are like super straggly or your hair is like very uneven in spaces, then yeah, I would say go ahead and trim your hair. Can I get color? Yes, so I recommend doing your color before you start your locks. Otherwise, you're going to have to wait about 4 months to get color. So here at the Lock Gallery, we leave the guesswork out of what to use and what to do when beginning your journey. All of our starter locks and extensions come with an aftercare kit, which I have here. So in this kit, you'll receive our Aloe Rose Hydrating Mist, a full size, as well as our Nourishing Hair Growth Oil, an aftercare card with instructions on what to do, what to expect, as well as a bonnet or do-rag, a sleep cap. So those are typical starter lock questions I usually receive. If you have any other questions or would like to go ahead and schedule for your starter locks, feel free to visit our website, lockgallery.net. Thank you, and we'll see you soon. Bye.